can feel your heart hanging in the air.
I could feel a presence, a familiar scent.
I'm counting every
He was
step
back
as you
in the
climb
flesh.
It had all the hallmarks of a hallucination.
It's buried in your bones. I see
It's
it in your
a
closed
story
eyes
of
turning
love,
in.
rock.
This is harder than we know.
Who
Hold it in the
did you meet
most
there,
and we
Monsieur de
wear
Liancourt?
it thin.
Louis
Coming
Pointe-de-la.
like a
Hello, Lestat.
Hello, Louis.
I take
Your name
it
is
as
Louis.
love.
Of course it's Louis.
The world's
Destined to be very good friends.
You did good getting off that boat when you did.
Yes, I feel quite at home here.
The single worst thing that a vampire can feel is loneliness.
You take this feeling away from me, Louis. We must stay together.
I never part.
I love you, Louis. You are loved. I offered Louis myself, what I am, my companionship, an immortal life. And I offered it to him in the church, on the altar.
I'm friendly, Louis.
Louis didn't take to vampirism.
He not only rejected vampirism, he also rejected you.
Louis was deceptively agile with words.
And that's why you and me ain't ever gonna work. That's why you're always gonna be alone.
World we know turns in the wind.
Say in the start, I am never going to love you.
I didn't know it was a gift. I wore it like a curse. I wanted you to suffer.
You're gonna leave me.
Cause I was suffering.
I couldn't force him to love me, and so I broke him. What is worse than that? Louis! We are joined by a cord. By a cord that you cannot see, but it is real. A last dance before the feast.
I'd like that. I'd like that very much.
Take us back to the beginning, if you will, of this story of butchery.
It's a story of love, not butchery. I'm happy with you. You're with me. À la fin.
You talk like he was your soulmate.
It's all we know. All we know.
When I told you I loved you,
Go away.
you said nothing.
What the hell with you?
Falling
You're not here, I'm just fucked in the head.
Kill me again. Go on.
You carry him in here!
The wilderness that is undone.
all we know.
I made her for Louis.
There was no scripting this time.
She is my blood.
You cannot script a hurricane.
When you sentence them for their crimes, you sentence me too.
We're a family.
Falling slow in the pouring rain.
Come with me, Louis.
Lou, you're
Watch
really with
it
her?
go. Watch it go.
We poisoned him.
A confession!
He's not dead.
It shall be revenge!
One more round in the stormy romance of you two. Never been about me.
Watch it go. Watch it go.
You had a daughter. I can't get her out of my mind. You have the same problem. She looked at me at the end like a child, looking to her father. But I was never.
I don't know how it can change. It's all we know, the hurricane.